First is going to make the piece of the N. Okay. The first way I make the loop. At the beginning, we can write down on the paper that's how to write it the N. Yeah. N. Okay, this is not N, it's this. Okay, here. So it's here. And then we'll go to fold it the top here. Fold it this way. And we tight it. And after tight, then we bend it like here. And then we're going to tight it to the back. Fold it to the back. Fold it like this. And we tight, then we bend it. So it's like this way here. Then we bend it back. Here. Okay. So this is the letter N that we made. And here we go to make the little N. It's like this. Then we'll bend it down. Here. Bend it down. And fold it this part. And fold it back. Okay. Then we make the N, the little N. Fold. So here the way that's to make the little N. Here. So it's N